Hello, welcome to Axis Granite Systems. In this video, I will show you how to fix pictures as you're processing a pool application. So in this video, I'm going to process this application that was put on hold. And so the first step is to claim it. And then we're going to go ahead and sync this pool application. And we're going to create a new membership for this application. So when I did that, I noticed that these two people, Steve and Sarah, they actually uploaded the same exact picture for both of them. And so I don't want a dual picture here, so I need to go back and fix that. Okay, so the original application portal is on this tab here. So I'm going to go ahead and close the original tab, and that reverts you back to your first tab. This is right before that sync process. So I'm going to scroll down to the patron section, and we'll take a look at the patrons here. And so here's a double picture here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that picture and just drag it to an empty spot on my desktop. So now I have the picture saved here. And now I can just take that same picture from the desktop and drag it right back into the pool application. So the first person, so we'll go ahead and crop his picture, and we'll save that. And so now Steve's picture, he's fixed. So let's go down to Sarah. So she has the dual picture. So I already have Sarah's picture here. So I'm going to go ahead and drag it onto the picture. Now let's go ahead and crop Sarah here. We'll make it a little smaller. Okay. So now Sarah's picture is saved. So now I can scroll back up and I'll try to sync it again. Alright, so we'll go ahead and hit the green button to continue. And we'll go ahead and create a new membership. And now here are the fixed pictures. And then I can process this pool application just like I normally do. I'll hit continue. And that's it. Thank you for watching.